Hello everyone. So if you're a conscious lady, you must have that attitude of always smelling your pants to be sure it has a fresh smell to it. That is how I know it is time for me to cleanse. If it doesn't really smell that good, it is normal. We women, we often expose ourselves a lot and you can get into contact with some bacteria causing some foul smells, and it is very important as a woman to always be conscious and check yourself, know yourself, and know when it is time for you to cleanse. And so in this video, I'll be sharing with you this very powerful natural antibiotic or antibacterial juice you can consume to cleanse your system from the inside, so it can destroy and flush out all those bacteria causing the foul smell and infections. If you want to always smell fresh, always try to smell your pants. Like when you take off your pants, always try to study yourself as a woman to know if you smell good. Equally share this with your partner, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever you get into contact with closely, intimately. Share this with, so you don't cleanse and get it back again from him. So you want to all together do it. So it is for two. It is very important to cleanse together with your partner, most especially for this purpose. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this cleansing juice yourself at home. You can do this once every month to make sure you always smell fresh without that awful smell. And points to take home: stay away from nylon pants as they culture bacteria. Go more for cotton pants. Try to wash up each time you use the restroom. That way you prevent the buildup of bacteria from the waste you get out of your system. Just wash up immediately like the Muslims do. Try to avoid using public toilets. Use your own toilet. Like, I study myself and know when I need to go to the toilet, and I try to always do that when I'm in my house. Always clean when visitors use your toilets in your house so you don't culture bacteria there. Like, just try to be careful like a woman as much as you can. So let's quickly get into it, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all smell fresh and good. So for your time. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So thank you for your time, and see you again in my next video. Bye, et bonne journée. Ciao.